Hi guys, it's me again Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory. It's already October of 2022 and now my customers are rushing to prepare order for Christmas and New Year. If you still have no idea of your Christmas or New Year hairstyle, I will introduce to you a type of hair extension that is considered as the bestseller of 2022. But first, intro. And the most popular and hottest hairstyle in 2022 is bone straight hair extension 20 inches. Let's discover why this hairstyle has become so popular. The first and foremost reason is that 20 inches bone straight hair extension is suitable for almost everyone. You won't discover any hair extension that suits all clients like 20 inches bone straight hair. Medium length straight hair extension fit every facial shape, whether your face is round, square, or oval. Bone straight hair extension 20 inches will cover imperfections and highlight your beauty. Bone straight hair extension 20 inches make you more lovely, indicated, and graceful. The second reason make bone straight hair extension 20 inches popular is that it doesn't require much maintenance. In fact, bone straight hair tangle less, and to detangle knotted hair extensions, you only need to brush them. 20 inches is also perfect length that seldom tangles. And bone straight hair extensions 20 inches doesn't require much conditioner. To care for bone straight hair extension 20 inches, you only need to wash them up to twice a week, apply conditioner after each wash, and spray it with natural oils like coconut oil or graceful oils to make it shiny. The third important reason is that bone straight hair extension 20 inches price is so reasonable. When compared to other hairstyle and length, 20 inches bone straight hair extension price is affordable. But the price also depends on the quality and grace you want. To be honest, Vietnam Hair Factory offers the greatest bone straight hair extension 20 inches. Anyone who uses Vietnamese hair extensions praise their qualities. Then, if you are interested in Vietnamese bone straight hair extension 20 inches for this Christmas and New Year event, don't hesitate to text me through this WhatsApp number so you can get the highest hair extension quality. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.